How's it going, YouTube? There are some questions in a couple of my Dodge truck groups and some of the other Mopar groups I'm a part on Facebook. And people are having trouble with dim lights, things acting funny, blinkers going too fast or too slow or whatever. So I wanted to showcase a few things that I do on all my vehicles, all my older vehicles, to help with the electrical issues. So here we go, and mostly it's going to be about grounds, because you can never have too many grounds on a vehicle. I'm going to try and shoot as many grounds what I have on the truck. Some of them I can't really get to. It'd be hard to show them because of where they're located. But I always have one ground wire straight to the top the top bolt of the starter. Make sure the starter's got a good ground. Then I have one on each head of the motor. That helps. It helps with combustion. Helps the spark plugs get a really good ground. I have grounds that go to the radiator support for the truck, one to the cab, and one to the bed up underneath, and one to the frame. So let's take a look at a couple of these. So see, there's the one on that head, one on this head. I actually have another one that I'm going to put on my alternator. But over here there is a ground splitter, or whatever you want to call it, terminal block. There's a ground to my fans, and also there's another ground. Really probably can't see it, but it goes to here, the radiator support coming off the battery here. That's my main ground. It goes down to here, which this jumper's over to the other side. And I got that wire there that runs back, hits the starter. You really can't see it, but it runs over to the frame, and then from the frame to the body, or to the cab, and then back to the bed there. So that helps. And I do stuff like this here, where just randomly I'll stop a wire pull and run it to a piece of metal from that ground circuit. Now, my vehicles typically, my lights are bright, my dash lights are bright, my blinkers work like they should. I usually don't have too many odd electrical problems. Now, I have had in the past where I've used subpar stuff because I was trying to get something running. I've had issues with that. Also, if you are having electrical problems, what you can do is, even on these newer, or these American vehicles, not newer, but American vehicles, you can take a hint from the Japanese. All their electrical switches are ground switched. They have hots going to everything, and then they switch the ground on all their switches and stuff. If you really wanted to do that, you can convert everything to that. Your switches will last longer. Your components will last longer. They had a really good idea with that. So anyway, I just want to make a quick video and show how I ground vehicles. Take it with a grain of salt. If you're having some electrical issues on your vehicle, grounds. Start grounding everything. It will help you a lot. So take it easy, guys, and go out there and get after it.